What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. If it's your first time here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back to the channel. You guys, please support your channel simply by giving it a thumbs up. Now in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I make 9 pieces of legs and thighs serve for multiple recipes. Okay, let's get right into it. Now what I do is make it really cheap and affordable, right? So I just go into the Dollar Tree and I pick up my storage bags, you guys, and I only paid what, $1.25 for this. I want to have good size though, okay? So these are the size that I purchase when I go into the Dollar Tree when I'm preparing or separating my poultry or whatever I'm planning on cooking for the remainder of the week. And a marker. You're definitely going to need a marker, okay? All right, so here's what's popping. Because when I have to do recipes for you guys, I have to make sure that everything is kind of organized so I know what is what and what is into what bag and what I'm going to do for whatever day, right? So I go into the supermarket and I pick up this bag of legs and quarters, okay? The legs and quarters are always cheap, very, very cheap, right? So I get this in the farmer's market for $6.90. Depending on where you're living, it may be more or it may be less. Sometimes, depending on where I go, I sometimes get the legs and quarters for $5.50, okay? But in this particular supermarket, which was the Food Depot, I did find it for $6.90. All right, so I'm going to make sure that I go through every single piece so you can know how much is in this bag. All right, so this one has 9 pieces. Okay, so that's 4. All right, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so this has 9 legs and quarters here, right? So we're going to make this stretch, you guys, stretch for my family, and I wanted to show exactly how I make preparations when I'm doing your recipes, right? Can't just go in a fridge like that. Everything have to be organized, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Now be sure that you're thumbsing up these videos, okay? Because this is how you support your channel and this is how the channel grows. Now look carefully. Now what I do is sever the thighs first, all right? The easiest way to do it is to take off the drumstick. Okay, then you have your thigh there, then you separate the chicken back. So now you have 3 pieces here, right? So I'm going to show you, instead of doing the drumstick, how to take off the chicken back first. So here I am showing you how to cut off the chicken back, right? And for us Jamaicans, we love some chicken back, right? So my husband loves chicken back, and my oldest daughter loves it. Baby girl is not really a fan of chicken back. My second daughter isn't, but me and my husband and my first daughter will love chicken back, right? So this is how you do it. All right, so I'm just going to let you continue to watch me cutting off the chicken back from the drumstick and the thighs here. And then when I complete this step, I will come back and I'll show you guys or explain to you guys what I'm doing further. Okay, you guys, so if you're still watching me, here's a friendly reminder. Please do not hesitate to thumbs up the video, okay? Because this is how you support your channel here, how to cook. All right, so after I've cut up my desired pieces, right? Because remember, we are stretching these 9 pieces into at least 4 separate meals, right? For your family. So I always leave 3 whole legs and thighs. Depending on how much comes in the bag, I always make sure that I have legs and thighs there sitting there. So that way when I'm making jerk chicken, legs and thighs, I'm doing just a bake, or I'm just doing something that requires me to have the entire legs and thighs, I always have those separated, not cutting those, okay? All right, so moving along, we are needing our Ziploc bags here. And again, mine is from the Dollar Tree because you want to make this cheap and affordable, because listen, I go to the freezer, right? So I usually put the drumsticks and then date it, so it's July 21st. Okay, it is. And then I go in and I put the chicken back, or the chicken thighs, or that one is the thighs. So we put the thighs there, and then we put July 23rd. It is the 23rd. So it's the 23rd, and so we put that there. Whatever date it is, you put a date on, right? But just be sure that you put whatever the pieces that you have in the bag, because once it's frozen, you guys, it is hard to tell what you have in that bag. So be sure that you put whatever it is that you're putting in there. All right, so that is a chicken back. And then what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and put all the pieces in their desired places. Chicken back, go in a chicken back bag, and so on and so forth. All right, perfect. All right, do you do this for sure, because you don't want to be using the latest meat product, whatever kind of meat you're cooking. You want to be sure that you're using the ones that you already put in there before. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 all right, so everything is all done, as you can see. Perfect, right? And now we are going to clean up, you guys, because guess what? When you are handling anything that has to do with meat in your kitchen sink, you want to be sure that you clean up the area and disinfect for sure. Okay, we're dealing with poultry here, so we are going to go ahead and clean up. Just baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
That is it, you guys. Kitchen is nice and clean. My chicken is ready to be refrigerated in the freezer. And when I'm ready to use, they're all set to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was interesting, and yeah, a little bit of my tips here and there. I'll see you in my next one, you guys. I love you guys to the moon and stars. Thank you for the love and support, and later.